Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable content from Apple to show in Spotlight on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Siri and Search. Next, we scroll down, and from here, in the Content from Apple section, tap on Show in Spotlight. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And as I here, Apple can show content when looking up text or objects in photos or when searching. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.